Welcome, this is Dustin over at True Protection with a video on how to add users through your Alarm.com app. Once you have your Alarm.com app open, it's going to bring you to the home screen, which is the screen that we see now. To add a user, you're going to tap on More down here in the bottom right corner and then tap on Users at the top. It's going to take a second to load, but once it loads, it's going to show us our current users. And then down at the bottom, we're going to have a plus sign. So we see we have our 2 users here, and then we're going to tap on plus to add a new one. We'll put in the name. So for this one, we'll do True Demo 2. And then click Create up here at the top. That'll bring up this screen, which has where we're going to create or generate the code, and then what access we have. So our system here has a panel, has a front door lock and a side door lock. We can tap generate code and it'll automatically put a code in there, or we can come in and we can create our own code here. So if we just create a code, we want them to have access to the panel. Let's say we want them to have access to everything, the front and side door as well as the security panel. So we'll select all 3 of those, then tap save up in the top right hand corner. That'll bring us up to this screen here. This is going to tell us the name of the user. It'll tell us that it's synchronizing devices here in the middle, and then it shows us that they have access to all available panels and all available locks at all available times. If we want to change the time, we can tap here and we can give them a restricted access or temporary access. In order to do restricted, you'll tap there. Pick the days that you want them to have access. So, if you have somebody that comes over, cleans the house or something twice a week, Monday, Friday, you can tap there, select that they have access starting at 9 a.m. Let's say they have till noon, so we'll tap here on noon for that. So we have 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday and Friday, and then we'll tap save up at the top here for it, and that will tell us right here on the right hand side that they have access Monday and Friday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now if you want to do temporary access, then you can give them a date. So if you have a Airbnb or something like that, you can generate a user. They're going to have access from today at, let's say, noon. So noon to, let's go just the weekend. They're going to be out of there, let's say Sunday by 11 a.m. So we'll have temporary access starting today, ending on Sunday from 12 p.m. to 11 a.m. We can save that, and then it'll give us this. So we have time, today's date, 3/6 from 12 p.m. to Sunday's date, 3/8 at 11 a.m. Now the synchronizing devices, what this is it's synchronizing from Alarm.com to your security panel. It can take up to about 5 minutes for that to happen, so you'll just have to kind of wait a couple minutes and let that go through. But that's how you add a user on your Alarm.com app to your security panel. Thanks for watching.